All right, let's provide a solution to this. Okay, we are given a plus b equals to 3 and ab equals 2. All right, solution. Now, first of all, let's label the first equation as 1. So this one as first equation, and the second equation as ab equals to 2. So let's make one of the variable here the subject from equation 1. Then we substitute it into the next equation. So from equation 1, we can say, so from 1, so I want to make b the subject. So b is the same as 3 minus a. So this is b, and the a is over there. And that will be our third equation. So let's put equation 3 in 2. So that will be, if I plug in 3 here, we have b, okay, as 3 minus a. So we have a times b, which is 3 minus a, equals 2. So from here, 3a minus a squared equals to 2. So let's arrange it. So that will be, so a squared, so this one here minus 3a and plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now let's compute the square of this. This one is a quadratic, and we have so many ways of solving this. You can go by the almighty formula, or I prefer using the computing of squares. So I would like to compute the square of this. So a squared minus 3a equals to minus 2. So let's take half of coefficient of a and square the result. So that will be half of minus 3 or squared. That will be minus 3 on 2 or squared. So minus 3 on 2 or squared. So I'll add this to both sides of the equation. Okay, so that will be a squared minus 3a. So I'll add this plus minus 3 on 2 squared equals to minus 2 plus, so this one. So I have done the addition. Okay, so from here, if I pick a and minus 3 on 2 all squared, when I expand this, I'll get exactly as what is over there. Okay, that's the idea. So I have minus 2 plus 9 on 4. So I've squared that. So a minus 3 on 2 all squared. Now the LCM will be 4 here. Okay, 4. So can make this side over 1. 1 into this 4, we have minus 8. 4 into 4, 1, 9. So a minus 3 on 2 all squared, that will be 1 over 4. So let's take square root on which sides. That will be that. Okay, remember we have 8 minus 3 on 2, okay, equals to plus or minus. So this one is the same as square root of 1 over square root of 4. That will be 1 on 2. Okay, so my a will be 3 on 2 plus or minus 1 on 2. That will be 3, okay, plus or minus 1 on 2. It means 4 on 2, that will be 3 plus 1, 4 on 2, which is 2, or 3 minus 1, 2 over 2, which is 1. It means we have two answers for A. A equals to 2 or 1. Okay. So if A equals to 2 or 1, what will be B? Okay. Remember, from here, B equals to 3 minus A. So when A is 2, B will be 3 minus 2, which is 1. And when A is 1, B will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. So in short, it is B. When A is 1, B is what? 2. Okay? And when A is 2, B is 1. So the answers are symmetrical. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.